slippery or are you good? If you step on those hard things, you should not be slippery. Okay. Hang on, I'm coming. Let me get up here real quick and then I'll help you. You good? Here, give me your hand, step over. Okay, we're going to go up right here.
Alright.
We're going to go up right up there. Come on. What was that?
Maybe a big fish?
If that was a big fish, I want to catch it.
That was actually kind of...
Might have been a seal.
No, seals are not usually this close.
Let's go. Up here. So we're going to go up there. Well, I'm going to help you up and then I'm going to get up because it's going to be tough. So step up on that rock right there. You got something to grab onto. So, no, I've got your, so I'm going to put the board down. I'm going to put the board, here, let me see. Here, go ahead and step up. I got your life jacket. Yep, I got you. You got it? Is it slippery or are you good? Is it? Okay. Stay right up there. Is it slippery right there? Okay, stay right there. I'm coming, okay?
It's slippery on that ground.
Is it? Feet secure. Feet secure. On the board.
This is gonna be scary.
No, stay right there. Don't slide. I got you.
Why are the birds spinning in circles?
I don't know.
Maybe they're protecting their herd.
Okay, I think we're going to keep climbing this way. Come on, straight up. Straight up this way. Can you make it in there? It looks like it opens up once you get up there, though. Here, I'm going to help push you. I got you. You're not going to fall.
This is kind of weird.
Yeah, just...
I don't want spiders to fall on me.
There's no spiders, kiddo. Just go. Go.
No,
There's no spiders out here, sweetheart.
Stop it. I'm worried that I'm going to get scared.
Okay, well, I'm coming right behind you. I'm just going to grab the board and come right behind you. Come on. Duck it through it. Come on, I'm coming right behind you.
I have nothing to hang on to now.
Nothing to hang on to?
No.
Okay, you want to step back down for a second? I got you. You're not going to fall. Okay, do you want to... So, okay, hold on. I don't want you to fall, kiddo.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because isn't it slippery right there?
Are you going near?
It's definitely slippery. Are there? I don't see any. Oh yeah? I'll tell you what. That was slippery. I said that was slippery. There's not a lot of places to get up here and do this. There's not a lot of places to get up here and do this. Let's see. Stay right there, please. I'm just checking on how far up here I can get. Yeah. Huh? So I've got an idea. Don't put your foot in the slippery stuff, please. Don't stand up. Okay. Huh. So I think I have a question. Can you get the sign? Are you able to just point it up to me so I can grab it? How about I get you back down on the rock and then I just come do this myself? Okay? Okay, or hand me the sign, just be very careful with it. Don't stand up, you don't have to stand up. No, you should be able to stay down. That's okay, if you drop it, I'll come get it. I'd rather you be safe than get hurt. So just see if you can lift it straight up to me. There you go, just like that. And I'm gonna grab the nail. Boop. Got it. You're gonna stay right there for a second. This is gonna be harder than I thought it was gonna be, so we're gonna have to I'm just gonna have to do this right here. And then we're gonna go. What? No. All right. Our sign is done. There's our sign.
Dad, what are you doing?
Hold on. Done. So I'm gonna get down first. Yep. And then I'm gonna help you down, okay?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's probably the best idea. I'm not gonna slip. Oh, if I might slip, you're not gonna fall. I said I might slip, but I don't plan on falling. Woo! The rocks are slippery too. Alright. Slide down, I got you. Stand up a little bit. Whoop. Oops, sorry for bunking you with the camera. Alright. You good? Alright. Nope. Oh, the current's already turned. I said, oh, the current has already turned. We gotta go. We got to go. Look at that, our dinghy's floating away already. Our dinghy's trying to float away already. It just now turned on us. Yeah. That is not good. Because it's really hard to hold on to. So, I need you to just hold on for 1 second, okay? That is not good. You are correct. I need you to stay right where you are. Okay? Okay? Okay. I'm not leaving you. I just need you to stay calm and chill, okay? just stay right where you are. I'm going to pull the dinghy around right over to here. It is really hard, especially right now, for some reason. Yeah. And I don't know why. Yep. I said yep. Yeah, it is, because it's coming through really quickly right now. It's not a tugboat. It's a pleasure boat. All right. I need you to come over here. Okay, so I need you to grab that anchor. Now, bring the anchor to me. I need you to do this quickly too. Yep, so, okay, hand me the anchor. Right here, hand me the anchor, right here. Okay, here's what no, you coming with me, you're coming here, Stand on the sharp things, okay? Yep, because the sharp things will help you stick to the rocks. So I need you to climb over and get in the dinghy, and I need you to do this quickly.
What?
Quickly climb in the dinghy. There's a lot of current coming. Quickly climb in the dinghy for me, kiddo. Stand on the sharp things. Just keep going under me. Come on. Crawl on your hands if you need to. I don't care. Under me, through my legs. Yes, come on.
How?
Just crawl through my legs. Slide down on your bottom. Stand on those. And then climb across on that.
What?
Rub the sharp things. Stand on them. They'll stick. They'll keep you stuck to the rocks. Quickly, kiddo. This is hurting. I need you to get in quickly. I know, you're okay. If you fall in the water, I'm going to grab you. Stay on the sharp things. There you go. And I need you to go all the way to the back of the boat. All the way to the back where the engine is, okay? Yep. I'm just trying to get in the dinghy before it floats off with you in it. Woo! We sure are. That was a little bit sketchy.
And scary too.
Yeah. Woo! We're gonna drive. Okay. Get back up on the front, please. Whew! That was crazy. That was crazy. We are, because we got to get out of here before the current comes back so fast.